In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use invoice automation with Monday.com. We'll walk through setting up a ready-made automation so your invoicing workflow runs reliably with less manual effort. Start on your Monday.com home. Once you're logged in, the home view gives you quick access to everything, but our focus is the workspace that holds your invoicing process. From the left-hand navigation, open Workspaces. Workspaces keep boards and docs organized, so choose the one where your finance or operations team tracks billing. Open the board you want to automate. Automations are board specific, so make sure you're in the exact board where items should trigger invoice actions. If you don't see the board, confirm you have access or switch to the correct workspace. Make sure you have permission to create automations on this board. Viewers won't be able to add them. Also, keep in mind that automations act on events from this point forward. They won't retroactively process old items. At the top of the board, click Automate. This opens the Automation Center where you can browse recipes that connect triggers, conditions, and actions. In the search bar, type Invoice. That narrows the gallery to invoice-related recipes, saving you from scrolling through every option. Find the template that fits your process and select it. Take a moment to read the trigger and action carefully. Look for details like which status change, date, or column it relies on, and what will happen next, such as notifying a teammate, creating an item in another board, or updating a field. Choosing the right template here prevents rework later. Click Use Template. Monday.com will load a short configuration view so the template can reference the correct columns and people on your board. If the recipe asks you to pick a status or date column, choose the ones already in your board that represent invoice readiness or due dates. Keeping column meanings consistent across boards helps automations behave predictably. When everything looks correct, click Create Automation to turn it on. From now on, whenever the trigger conditions are met on this board, the automation will run automatically in the background and you'll see it listed in your board's automations panel. If your process evolves, you can return here to adjust the same recipe or switch to a different template without rebuilding your board. That's it. You've set up invoice automation using a template inside Monday.com. By starting from home, choosing the right workspace and board, opening Automate, searching for Invoice, selecting the template, using it, and creating the automation, you've streamlined billing steps and reduced manual follow-up.